students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, dash when placed in an electric field experiences a force in the direction opposite to the electric field. So let's take a constant electric field E, and let's see through the properties of charge. When a positive charge is passed through an electric field, and a positive charge is passed through an electric field, it will deflect towards the electric field. So what are the positive charges here? A positive charge, a proton is a positive charge and a positive charge. So they both will deflect towards the electric field, not opposite to the electric field. So B option and D option is correct. And a neutral charge, for example, a neutron, our neutral charge does not deflect in any electric field. So if we are passing a neutral charge, it will go undeflected. And a negative charge will experience a force opposite to the direction of an electric field. So only negative charge in our option is an electron. So our correct option will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.